Highest number you see above a variable is going to be the degree of the polynomial. Alright, and since there are three terms, this is a trinomial. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. Alright, find the degree of the polynomial. Indicate whether the polynomial is a monomial, binomial, trinomial, or none of these. 10x squared minus 5x to the third. Since the degree of the polynomial is the highest degree of all terms, looks like the degree is 3. Highest letter, ooh, lower. Highest letter, ooh, lower. Highest letter, ooh, lower. And make sure that you don't fall into the trap of thinking that it's always the degree of the first term. This polynomial is not written in standard form, descending order. So we had to actually go to the second term to get the highest degree. Standing form, descending order, standing form, descending order, standing form, descending order. And second term. So descending order is highest, lowest, highest, lowest, highest, lowest. So this is actually lowest, and then it goes up. Lowest, then it goes up. Lowest, then it goes up. Lowest, highest, lowest, highest, lowest, highest. And that would be like descending order. But instead, this is smaller than this. This is smaller than this. This is smaller than this. So it's not written in standard form. 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 So when something's written in standard form, it's going to be higher, lower variable numbers. 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 But this, it's switched up. So it's not in this standard form. So pay attention to standard form. Just study it so you can look at it and get it like that. So we had to actually go to the second term to get to the highest degree. Yeah, highest degree, highest degree, highest degree. Since there are two terms, this is a binomial. 1, 2 binomial. 1, 2 binomial. 1, 2 binomial. Find the degree of the polynomial and indicate whether the polynomial is monomial, binomial, trinomial, or none of these. Negative 20. Since the degree of the polynomial is the highest degree of all terms, it looks like the degree is 0, 0, 0. When there is no variable, it's 0. No variable, it's 0. No variable, it's 0. 0. And since there is one term, it's a monomial. Monomial, monomial, monomial. Combining like terms, combining like terms, combining like terms. Recall that like terms are terms that have the exact same variables raised to the same exact exponents. One example of like terms is 3x squared minus 5x squared. Another example is 5ab squared and 5ab squared and 4ab squared. So x squared is the same, x squared is the same, x squared is the same, x squared, x squared, x squared, ab squared, ab squared, ab squared, ab squared, ab squared, ab squared. You can only combine terms that are like terms. You can only combine terms that are like terms. You can only combine terms that are like terms. You can think of it as a reverse of the distributive property. Reverse distributive property, reverse distributive property, reverse distributive property. It is like counting apples and oranges. You just count up how many variables you have the same and write the number in front of the common variable part. Variables, same, same, same. You have the same and write the number in front of the common variable part. I got to see an example. I didn't read this before I got to this part. Okay, so distributive property real quick. We'll go back is bam, a times c, 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 a times c. Bam. And okay, real quick, this distributive property, bam, 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 4 times 8, 4 times 8, 4 times 8, bam, 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 turns into this, then you add these together, add these together, add these together. It's just backslash of distributive, distributive, distributive. So absorb this real quick. I'm going through this real quick because this is one of those things that you should already know getting into this. I might make a video if I decide to go back to that level of math. And yeah, apples are apples, oranges are